Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn a new and a very interesting topic, that is Urdu numerals. We have used the following numerals up till now: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These numerals are in use throughout the world. These are called international numerals. Now we learn about Urdu numerals. The symbols used in Urdu for numerals are given. 0 is written as a black dot. You can see these are the symbols that are used in Urdu numerals. Students, you have to do practice of these symbols to learn Urdu numerals. Remember that the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division for the numbers written in Urdu numerals are same as those for international numerals. Students, we can do the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with Urdu numerals also, as we did these operations with international numerals. Now come to the practice 1.8, page number 19. Question number A. Write these new numbers in standard form. Standard form means we have to write these numbers in international numerals. Question number A, part number 1. First of all, we will write the first digit, that is 2. After this, you can see there are 3 edges, and this is 3. Next is this is 4, and this is 6. Its shape is just like 4, so it becomes 2346. Now come to the next. This is the symbol of 5. You can see this is the symbol of 2 as we used in the first question. This is 3, and this is 4. This is the symbol of 7. Its shape is just like smaller than. The third part is, this is the symbol of 2. This is the symbol of 6, as its shape is just like 4. These are totally inverse symbols. This is the symbol of 6. Next, this is the symbol of 4, 5, and 8. Now placing commas, it becomes 26,458, and it becomes 52,347, and this becomes 2,346. Now come to the question number B. Write these in Urdu numerals. Now as we know that 7 is written as this. After that, 1 is very simple. We can place 1. Now 8, and this is the symbol of 6. Alright, it becomes 7,186. Now look at the another part, 24,873. So 2 is written as, 4 is written as, just like this. $24,873. Now 3 is written as this. 2, 3, and 6. It becomes 35,300. 236 in Urdu numerals. So today we learned about Urdu numerals, and we learned that the numerals used in throughout the world is called international numerals. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And we also learned the symbols of Urdu numerals.